the jungle. Rumble in the jungle. There, a rumble in the jungle is whispering in the trees. The animals are walking up, taking up, and the water bull, the leopard in the lair, the chimpanzees. Animals are fighting, and some are sweet and kind. So let's go to the jungle now and see who we can find. Munch, munch. Chimpanzee. It's great to be a chimpanzee swinging to the trees, and if we can find nuts to eat, we must each other flesh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Roar, lion, the lion, the king of the jungle. Just listen how loudly he roars. Every animal quivers and shudders and yells as soon as he opens his jaws. Elephant. It's great to be an elephant, all big and fat and round and wander to the jungle. Just elephants around. Zebra. I could have been grey like a donkey or brown like a cousin, the male, but I will got steps which my lady friend likes, as they make me look handsome and cool. Snake. The bow came in a slippery snake who shelters and slides around his tree. And when tasty animals wander too close and pushes them slowly for tea. Crocodile. When animals come to the river to drink, I watch for a minute or two. It's a delight, such a delight to behold such a sight that I can resent chomping a bit. Rhinoceros. The rhino is big, strong, and tough, but his skin is all baggy and flappy, which means that there are plenty of rooms for his lunch, and that makes him terribly happy. Gazelle. No one can run off as quickly as me. A galloping gazelle. I can leap up so high that my horns touch the sky, and I am awful pretty as well. Started falling, but the jungle never sleeps. The vultures circle slowly while the leopard softly creeps. And if you listen quietly, you might just hear a growl of a hungry pair of panthers who are still out on the prowl. The lion and their little cubs are sleeping in their den. So let's leave them till tomorrow when we visit them again.